Mix inspiration in business and business and inspiration. I want you to know that this fellowship has an incredible ministry that's reconciling students to Christ, and it's the ministry called Chi Alpha. And we're grateful that God is raising up people who feel a call of God to go on to perhaps the greatest mission field here in the United States, and that's universities and campuses. And I get it. Along the spectrum and ministry lines, there are times when there are hiccups, there are times when there are shortcomings, there are times when there are failures. But the failure of some individuals never trumps the strength and the purpose and the vitality of the particular ministry. And I just thought it would be very appropriate. We're in August, and in a couple of weeks, hundreds of thousands of students will be gathering on campuses all across the United States. And I'd like to go on record in the 60th General Council of the Assemblies of God saying in the business session, we prayed for an outpouring of God's Spirit to be on our campuses, and we pray for our campus leaders, and we pray for those who will be serving. So right now, if you are involved in leading a Chi Alpha chapter, or you're a network official and Chi Alpha is in your portfolio, or maybe you're an intern, would all of the Chi Alpha, people associated with Chi Alpha, would you stand right now, please? Just stand all over this. First of all, let's express our appreciation. I want you to stay standing, if you will. And Terry Yancey, is Terry Yancey in the room? I don't want Terry, would you